My name is Heinz Lovis, and I am a member of the rehabilitation team. My topic is about the context menus on the training overview. In this video, I'll show you the context menus of the patient. With the help of the context menus, we can make additional functions and pages visible in the background. They are hidden on 3 different fields: on the patient field, the ECG field, and the training field. By right-clicking on the appropriate field, we can make them visible and accessible. First, let's have a look at the context menus on the patient panel. Search Patient is the context menu with which I can place a patient on an exercise station. For example, Mr. Test Theodore. Double-click and the patient is placed. If I want to remove him again, I do this with a right-click, then Remove Patient. The Patient Information context menu opens a window in which I can store notes, information, and the like. For example, always measure blood pressure on the right arm. If I want to see this reminder before the next training, I can check this box. As a result, this information is shown immediately the next time this patient is trained. I would like to demonstrate this to you. We leave the training overview with End and call up the group again. Via Rehab, New Exercise, we select Demo Group B with a double-click. At the top right, you can now see this masked note directly before the training. If I click on this information, it will disappear immediately. If I want to save this direct reminder for the next training session, I can remove the marking again. In the Patient Data context menu, I can view, change, or add something to all patient data. The comment column is visible on the training overview. I could use it, for example, for the diagnosis of left ventricular function. Left ventricular function slightly to moderately impaired. I can use the context menu, Insert Patient, if I want to add new patients to the database during an ongoing training session. The last 2 context menus on the patient panel are Add to Group and Remove from Group. For example, I can add Mr. Test to the group and remove Mr. Aretz because he is finishing rehab tomorrow. I would also like to show you this. Mr. Test is now a member of the group and is sitting on bicycle number 2. Mr. Aretz has left the group.